So we will see now for the paper 2 what are the paper pattern. Similar to the section 1, section 2 is also there. 4 MCQs that you have to attend. 4 MCQs, you will be given 6 MCQs. From that 6 you have to attempt any 4. Just try to write all the MCQs, so in case if one MCQ is wrong you will get the full marks. So first you can take screenshot. So this is the MCQs. So basic MCQs, they are not tough, but simple MCQs are asked. So this is from single phase induction motor. So the centrifugal switch is connected in series with running winding. So they have asked true or false. So it is false. So centrifugal switch is connected in series with starting winding. We use starting winding for the starting purpose only. If our motor reaches 70 to 80% speed, then the starting winding is removed by this centrifugal switch. So centrifugal switch is connected in series with the starting winding. So these are the basic. So here now the core of the transformer is laminated to reduce. Why we laminate the core of transformer? To reduce the eddy current losses. So simple questions are asked. Now here synchronous motor runs on leading power factor. So at the overexcited, synchronous motor runs on the leading power factor. So capacitor in capacitor start induction motor. Why we use capacitor? To improve the starting torque. We use the capacitor to improve the starting torque, because the starting torque is low. Heating is not dependent on supply frequency. Which heating type or method is not dependent on supply frequency? So options are resistance, dielectric and induction. So resistance heating is not dependent on supply frequency. Similar to section 1, question number 2, you have to attempt any 3. So you can see now here, this question is from transformer chapter, 3-phase induction motor. This is from measuring instrument. I have already uploaded video for vibrating reed type frequency meter. So it is asked for 2 marks. Draw diagram and explain the main things. What are the main things in this type? What is reed? Then what is the range? Explain that. Why starters are used for 3-phase induction motor? 2 marks. They have asked this question, why starters are used for 3-phase induction motor. So just write why it is used. No need to explain what is 3-phase induction motor. So you can see here 2 questions from 3-phase induction motor. This is also from measuring instrument. Question number 3. Compare auto transformer with ordinary transformer. So this one is from transformer. This one is also from transformer. This is from electric heating. 4 types. They have just asked what are the 4 types. Just give 4 types of electric heating. Now here for 1 marks, they have asked which motor is used. Which motor is used in mixer and ceiling fan. Just write this part only. No need to explain anything. Now in previous paper in section 1st, they have asked to draw neat and label diagram of PMMC instrument. They have asked many times. And in section 2nd, they ask explain working of PMMC type instrument with neat sketch. So this question is important. You have to do this question. Write 4 applications of dielectric heating. This is from electric heating chapter. We have already learned. You have to just write 4 applications. It is for 2 marks. You have to write 4 applications. Now here they have asked compare. For 2 marks you have to write at least 4 points. Just try to write more, because if by chance if it is wrong, if any one of the point is wrong, you will get full marks. Now question number 4. This one is from transformer chapter, right? So transformer chapter weightage is more, 3-phase induction motor weightage is more. So concentrate on that chapters. Do all the comparisons. Core type transformer, shell type transformer. We have already learnt in lectures. This comparison also I have asked in the question papers. Explain synchronoscope method for synchronizing. I have also uploaded this 2 questions. We have already learned this. So they have asked for 3 marks. This is for question number 4. You have to attempt any 2. Now for 3 marks you have to write at least 6 points for this comparison. Question number 5. Any 2. This is from transformer. You can see many questions are asked from the transformer. This is the question from transformer. various methods of finding losses. What are the different methods of finding losses, and you have to explain any one. Whichever you feel easy, you have to explain that method. State various methods of starting synchronous motor, explain any one of them. So we have already learned synchronous motor is not self-starting motor. We require it to start. There are different methods to start synchronous motor. So explain any one with neat a diagram. This numerical is from motor, three-phase induction motor. They have given slip, voltage, frequency, poles, number of poles. We have already learned this. Question number 6, it is of 6 marks. You have to attempt any 2. Now you can see again numerical is from transformer. We have already learned this. Starters. Explain working of star delta starter with neat circuit diagram. 3 marks. Draw the neat diagram and give the explanation. It is asked for 3 marks. Compare slip ring induction motor with squirrel cage induction motor. We have already learned this. This is asked for 3 marks. Write 6 points. Maintenance schedule of 3-phase induction motor. This is asked many times in every paper. This question is repeated. So just do this question perfectly. Now here in this paper we have seen so many comparisons. Slip ring induction motor with squirrel cage induction motor, core type transformer with shell type transformer, auto transformer with ordinary transformer. So do all the comparison because comparison is asked many times. So this was 2017 question paper. Now this is 2020 question paper. So MCQs, first question will be of MCQs. You have to attempt any 4. They will give you 6 options. From that 6 options, you have to attempt any 4. But as I told you, you have to attempt 6, all of them. For increasing the voltage, we use step up transformer. Step down to decrease the voltage. 3-phase slip ring induction motor has which rotor? So in 3-phase slip ring, they have asked here slip ring. That is, the slip ring induction motor has wound type rotor. In welding work, arc heating is used. The inductive reactance of running winding is more than the starting winding. So same question MCQ from the last paper, just they have changed the pattern. So here overexcited synchronous motor is called a synchronous condenser. So synchronous motor when run at the overexcited condition, then it will act as synchronous condenser. Dash is used as a heating element in electric oven. So in electric oven we use nichrome. Okay, so this is alloy, we use this. Question number 2, any 3. Give advantages of electric heating. What are the advantages of electric heating? No pollution, everything, whatever you know, you have to write here. 2 marks, write at least 4 advantages and write everything in point wise. Write short note on multimeter. So what is multimeter? You have to write short note on multimeter. It is for 2 marks. This is also from transformer. Explain the working of potential transformer with neat diagram. Different methods of controlling speed of 3-phase induction motor. This is from 3-phase induction motor. Single phase induction motor are not self-starting. Why? They have asked the reason why the single phase induction motors are not self-starting. So we have already learned it. Question number 3. You have to attempt any 3, asked for 2 marks. Now here starter, DOL starter. 2 marks they have asked just to draw the diagram. So the sheets I have given you, you have to draw the total 9 sheets because the diagrams are there. You have not practiced it, so you will get to draw the diagram. So you have to draw the sheets. Explain working of single phase capacitor, start induction run motor, draw diagram and explain. Explain working of single phase transformer, explain the working of transformer. What are applications of synchronous motor? Write the applications of synchronous motor. Just write the applications, where it is used. List out the equipments used in HT substation. From this chapter, only this part is there and other part is cancelled from your syllabus. So this question will be asked. So just prepare for this question. You have to just list out the parts, what are the equipments in HT substation. In notes I have provided, there is nothing to teach in this because only equipment names are there. Attempt any two for 3 marks. 3 marks you have to write 6 points. Slip ring induction motor, squirrel cage induction motor, as I told you, comparison is asked more. Write a short note on auto transformer. They will ask comparison also, and they will ask to write a note also. Now here you can see compare ordinary transformer and auto transformer. Percentage slip, this is from 3-phase induction motor. So same. Compare synchronous motor and induction motor. Same question is repeated. Comparison is asked many times. And question number 6, it is not visible. I'll just tell you. Define term synchronism, that alternator. We have to write all the same question is here. Why synchronism is done? What is the parallel operation of alternator? What is, just you have to explain that. And give methods of synchronism. Right, there are different methods. You have to just write that. Lamp, dark, whatever that methods are there, you have to write. Write down maintenance schedule of 3-phase induction motor. So this question is asked many times. So just I am telling you that just prepare this. This is asked for 6 marks. And last question is draw 3-phase power transformer diagram. You have to draw the diagram which is given in your sheets. That transformer diagram you have to draw here and name these parts. So draw the sheet, whatever the 9 sheets are there, you have to draw that every sheet. In that sheet transformer, this part is there, you have to draw that. So this is about this section 2nd. So if you want me to take revision of any chapter from section 2nd and section 1st, then you can please comment down. I'll try to take that.